AI Intel layer powering an ecosystem of modular AI apps. Well, today I'm super excited to be talking about this next project called Rivalz. But before we do that, make sure you're doing research, figure out this project is for you. So we're going to talk all about Rivalz and the awesome ecosystem that they're providing. We'll talk about their testnet, kind of all the information for that. They have an awesome guide to how to get involved with that. We're going to go through their website, talk a little bit about the community, all the exciting things coming up in the near future, but lots of exciting stuff. So let's go. Rivalz. I wanted to start this video by talking about how Rivalz Network secured $9 million to advance AI Intel infrastructure, and the lead investors, including Delphi Ventures, D1 Ventures, Gate.io, and so much more. It's seldom that I see this amount for a project, but I think a lot of people believe in what they're doing to innovate AI data and decentralized infrastructure, and we're going to go over all those different points in the video, but it's definitely something that I wanted to point out because I think that it's really awesome that they've hit this goal. Here we're on the website at rivalz.ai. I'll put the link in the description as it checks out for yourself. There is a lot going on with this project, so I'm going to kind of cover as much as I can today, but obviously it's up to you guys to figure this out on your own to see if this is something you want to invest in. There's definitely lots of opportunity. You guys know I'm huge in AI, and I think that's really the future of it. So this project, like I said right there, is building the future of AI data and Intel Provenance. So we'll talk a little bit about that. We'll talk about their testnet. Like I said, we'll talk about the utility of this and kind of go into their socials as well to see what's going on. Again, their ecosystem is focused initially on like AI agents, but also they're thinking about DeFi, GameFi, SocialFi, a bunch of interesting things. I think that they are doing a lot of things to make sure that they're successful, not only now, but also in the future. So we'll kind of cover all that today. As you can see now, they have this section that says Intel incentivized testnet is now live. So if you guys are interested in checking that out, they have this like how-to page to get you guys started on it. So they says, welcome to the Minds dashboard. Essentially the testnet dashboard where you can view everything from different parts of the testnet to interact with downloading our clients, social challenges, requesting testnet, Riz, and minting data fragments, NFTs. To get started, you have to connect your wallet to the Minds dashboard, and then I guess you gotta follow the steps along in here. They do have a video that kind of walks you through this, kind of the different points of it. I'll log in. I have in a separate tab logged in on my account, so you guys can kind of check that out. We could check it out together, but they do have that information if you guys want to learn more about that right off the bat. But obviously that's really important because they call this the birth of the AI Intel layer. I was getting the testnet live, so it's great to do that. It's also a great way to earn rewards, again, for the token of this project, the Riz rewards, and get access to upcoming node sale whitelist, which of course I'll go over in detail as well. This is built on Dimension, and that's Dimension spelled DYMENSION, and it's powered by Celestia. So if you want to learn more about that, you guys can. We'll check out more when we check out their socials about that. So they kind of have like a TLDR, and that's kind of what I do when I do my videos. I want to tell you what the main points are for a project and let you do the research on your own to figure out if this project is good for you. Spoiler, I found a lot of interesting things and a lot of value in this project. I think they're doing a lot of cool things, and we've talked a lot about other projects before, in the like DPIN space. I'm not going to talk about them specifically, but I do think that this project definitely stands out. So it says, use Rivalz for decentralized data processing and storage, access networks of trusted data and Intel providers. So core AI data plus Intel infrastructure, and then build AI application on Rivalz infrastructure. And they have like some examples, which we'll kind of go over as well. They have a great documentation center that has those details if you guys want to check it out. Access modular AI app ecosystem from AI agents to AI tools and replicas. I do think AI tools is going to be a huge moving forward. I think more and more people are finding unique ways to utilize AI, and I think this project, is very important in that aspect. And then the R client, which you could actually check out for yourself. You could download the R client today, available on Windows and also other platforms as well. If you guys want to check it out, this is my account. But if you guys are interested in downloading the R client, you guys could check that out. So cool. Depend data storage as well. So they have the R client, data storage. They have the Z node, and then the Riz, which is essentially the token kind of powering the Rivalz chain and its AI app ecosystem. Obviously, very important. And then they have the Rivalz ecosystem, and then of course they have a RNet. Really the infrastructure on it. And if you guys want to learn more about that, our clients fail for everyone. Emissions are based on uptime, storage, and comp resources. Z nodes, high mission of Riz based on uptime. Z nodes validates data flows of our clients. And again, I've walked through some videos on nodes that we've checked out, that we've done some demos on in the future, but I do think that this is a lot of exciting things. Again, we'll kind of check that out. They have a section specifically on that. The Riz utility, so data supply and infrastructure, access to data and intel, and then stake and upgrade for node staking. That's available as well. So if you guys want to know how you're able to be a part of that, obviously you have to get whitelisted. The node sale is Q3 2024, and you can apply as a creator or as an investor. They ask some questions about that. If you guys are interested, you can also enter your email here or follow them on socials to kind of stay up to date on all the things going on with that. If you guys want to learn more and actually be active in everything that they're doing, you could check out Galaxy, which is kind of a cool way to get rewards. Again, similar to, I refer to this similar to something like Zeely, where you do some social actions. They have a leaderboard to kind of check out how you're doing. A lot of active people in this Rivalz network has over 200,000 followers, but you can do things like join the community. You can do the testnet, just a bunch of different things, so you could earn some reward. So definitely check it out if this project is something you want to be a part of. I'll share all the links, etc. But one thing I did want to walk you guys through is how to participate in the testnet, what you get from it, and then of course I'm going to walk through some of the documentation. There is a lot, but I kind of want to highlight a couple of things to get you guys started in learning more with this. So the testnet is live, like I said. You can earn testnet points. This will directly dictate to the Rivalz airdrops, which will happen in Q4. You can get testnet points by running light R clients. Remember I said you could download the R clients, completing social challenges, which we mentioned, minting data fragments, NFTs. So to participate, you could do the visit the testnet to view the mine's dashboard, which I showed you, initiate the Intel Galaxy campaign. I showed you that as well. And then join their socials, put the link in the description, Discord, Telegram, Twitter, and then they have a step-by-step testnet guide to kind of follow along with that. Here is my dashboard. Where are we at? I was logged in. Here's my dashboard. Obviously, this is. I'll show you my. I'll put my referral link in there. In the meantime, you could check how much people you referred. You can claim your rewards. There's also some multipliers. This is how it works. Refer your friends. Get 50% of the total points and get 5% commission. So if you guys want to kind of check this out, you guys can. They have a section specifically on the testnet event. If you want to learn more about that as well, you could connect your Twitter X account to get bonus points. So it's all set up here for you guys to kind of check out. It's ready for you guys to utilize. So I think that's pretty cool. Here is their docs section where they kind of walk through each of the different things. I'm not going to go through each one of these. There is a couple of things I did want to point out. They talked about their network. Again, one thing I think is obviously really important of it is obviously they have their internal iterations of that. Focus on neural networks that assist with data cleansing and augmentation. The second iteration will center on sourcing additional data for our network. Third iteration will work closely with the RECO, an alliance of Web3 developers, focusing on the most in-demand AI products. But I think this is cool where they're going to be working with other projects to be built on Rivalz. So they talk about Mage, modular AI agents, and then they also have clones as well, and kind of cool ways to kind of see how things can be built on Rivalz, which I think is interesting. There's more information on the testnet if you guys want to learn about that. They have some information on the community, like Znode owners, like how this all works, how you can be a part of this. And obviously there's some steps involved with that, especially with Discord. Lots of information here. If you want to learn about the Riz token, the tokenomics of that as well, you could check that out. But let's check out their socials to see kind of what's the latest updates, what's going on here. Riz has joined the Chainlink build program, so that's awesome. They're constantly doing community stuff. Here they're talking about they had a community call with the Rivalz CTO. So if you guys want to learn more directly from them, you guys can. They're giving some updates on just things going on in the AI space, which I think is really interesting. So again, a bunch of great stuff on here. Obviously, updates on everything they're doing. Here's an update on the Znode holders and kind of more information there. If you guys want to be a part of that and learn more, definitely check it out. But that's Rivalz. Definitely going to try to provide more information for this project in the future as we kind of move along. Definitely want to talk more about what's coming up with this project. Remember, if you guys are interested, definitely join the testnet, participate in the Galaxy, social actions. I think that's a great way to be involved. And of course, join all the socials, Telegram, Discord, kind of stay in the loop, hear directly from them what makes this project so exciting. They also have some links, like I said, if you want to learn more about Dimension or Celestia. But again, this project is definitely an exciting one I'm going to be kind of focusing on for this year and for the years to come. Really making their mark in the AI space, and definitely a project that I like I said, I'm interested in. So that's Rivalz Network. Let me know what you guys think. Talk to you guys later. So if you guys are interested, definitely join the testnet. The node sale starts on September 10th. I'll be doing a gold pass giveaway, and you'll be able to input my creator code to get 10% off and support me when the sale starts. So remember, check it out, follow my socials. Definitely a project that I'm gonna keep my eye on for the near future.